In the previous videos, we talked about inputting data to the database. Now let's check out how to output and display those data. First, I'll add a reusable database to this project. This one contains the names, image, and base stats for various Pokemon. Now, there are different ways to output these information on stage. But a simple yet powerful way will be to use the database viewer located here. Now, as you notice, the tool is currently disabled. That's because database viewer is a flex element and must live inside a flex object. So I've gone ahead and created a basic template for what we're trying to accomplish. Under flex, I'll set the direction to left to right with wrap. And under database viewer, I've added some margin and made sure that autofill is on, so that the viewer is automatically populated when the page is initialized. Inside database viewer, there is one image and two text elements, corresponding to the three fields of the database. However, if I go to preview right now, nothing is displayed on the screen. That's because we haven't bound any data source to the viewer. To do so, go to each element inside the viewer and choose a corresponding data source. This time, data are systematically displayed on copies of the database viewer. Because everything we see here is on the flex page, if I resize the window, the elements will be adjusted according to the width of the screen. Right now, two rows of information are displayed. To retrieve more data, drag the page upwards, and more items will be displayed. To adjust how many additional rows are displayed after dragging, you can go to Database Viewer and change the number under Update Rows. Now, let's say I want to choose which items to display, or the order to display them. To do that, we can create an event under Stage Initialize rather than Autofill. For the target object, select the flags. And for the target action, select Create a Database Viewer. Then you can specify the output conditions or sorting. For example, to sort the Pokemons by increasing stats value. Or to only output Pokemons with specific stats.